As you can see, apples on the ground. We are tinning apples. As you can see, lots of apples on the ground. As we take you right through and through the orchard, we space it like 6 inches apart. Look right there, 6 inches apart. See it? See it begin from breakdown. Because we take you on the journey. As you can see apples on the ground a lot. Because if you don't thin them, they will break the limbs when they mature. They'll break down the limbs, so you have to thin them and give them like 6 inches apart. Then we take it further down. As you can see, a lot of apples on the ground. These apple that we took from the trees and put it on the ground, they're going to rot and turn mulch. These are some bird eggs that's found in the trees.